So can you recession-proof your business? Well, there's a possibility you can, a possibility that you can't. But here's what I do know. You can recession-proof your mindset. Regardless of what's going on, regardless of what conversations you're hearing on the news, with your peers, with your friends and your family members, and whether or not you're gonna be affected by the recession or not, there is one thing that you have total control over, and that is your mindset. You see, here's what I've come to realize. The evidence for the thing that you're looking for and the thing that you want is always around, and the evidence for the thing that you don't want is always around. So if you are convinced that because of the recession, you're not gonna get customers, you're not gonna get clients, you're not gonna generate income, that it's doom and gloom, and that's what you're looking for, guess what? You'll find plenty of evidence to be able to go ahead and justify that. But if you have a different kind of mindset and you're saying, in spite of the fact that there's potentially a recession, I'm gonna find ways to be innovative, I'm gonna find ways to pivot, I'm gonna find ways to find the people who are still spending money, who do wanna go ahead and invest in themselves, then guess what? You'll also find people who are able and willing to do that. So at the end of the day, you may not be able to recession-proof your business entirely, but you can recession-proof your mindset. And it's gonna happen all based upon what are the things you're actually looking for and what are the things you're telling yourself internally that's ultimately gonna determine how you show up, recession or not.